Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and now choose this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture, and here we've got some sections from which we can choose it. So our camera, we can immediately open the camera app, the gallery, so we can choose something from previously taken photos, the Google Photos, so we've got backed up photos and illustrations which are available online, and they are free of charge. So I highly recommend to check those options, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of someone who's in front of you. So let me choose something from those options. Well, as you can see, you've got plenty of options in the albums, so for sure you will find something. You can also choose the preset if you want to. Basically, in this section, you will be able to zoom in or out the photo. You can also change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how it looks like. Here we've got our contact. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.